Ho, ho, ho!
Alright, man. You gonna try to Hey, I got you on video. Got you, man. Let's go.
Merry Christmas to everybody. Merry Christmas to everybody. Merry Christmas to everybody. Merry Christmas to everybody.
Beautiful, beautiful. Wow.
Merry Christmas to everybody. Merry Christmas to everybody.
Hey, Donna,
Oh,
you get a shot to me, you man.
Merry Christmas to everybody.
Yeah, bro. Good time. Hanging out, Fremont,
Everybody.
Montrose Market.
Merry Christmas to everybody.
Happy holidays to you, my dad. Nice seeing you.
Merry
We
Christmas
gotta
to
do this all
everybody.
the time, right? What do you want to say to the folks?
Happy Friday, happy Saturday, happy Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
Merry Christmas to everybody.
Let's enjoy it, man. Look at us. Look at this
Merry
place.
Christmas to everybody.
You gotta get a beer, buddy. It's crazy out here. Look at this place. Look.
It's nice.
Merry
The basement.
Christmas
I
to
call this a
everybody.
basement for me. The basement.
Merry Christmas to everybody. Merry Christmas to
Hi,
everybody.
guys. Nice seeing you guys again.
Merry Christmas to everybody.
Always downtown Fremont. Come on down. All right, Donna. What do you like about this place? Give me your honest opinion. I'm here. What else? What do you think of
Scenery, man, scenery.
What do you think about Fremont Market?
Scenery,
Montrose Market.
Scenery.
Uh,
Vibe, the vibe.
I like your energy. It's not bad, you know. I like it, you know. It's like a lot of people down here, and it's not about this.
Local feel,
You got another restaurant too, right?
local feel.
Local fee.
Everyone's cool.
Everybody's cool down here.
African Republican, everyone's cool.
Yeah, no, I hear you, I hear you. So, we got some local restaurants in here. Look at this place. It's crowded, huh? Look at this place. All crowded in here. But Donna, coming back to me, you will hang out here every weekend.
I do.
Listen, guys. My best weekend buddy, Jamaican, American, whatever you want to call it. Okay? We are blessed, okay? We live in the most blessed country in the world. Well, anyway, guys, subscribe, give me a like, and give Donald, give me a like up right now. Nice,
Always.
nice, like that. Anyway, ciao, peace. Love you guys.